Hello traders, in this video we are taking a look at the Forex Line Indicator for MT4. We'll cover how a single color changing line appears on the chart, what the line's color and position imply about trend direction, and how traders typically interpret it as a visual guide. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright, so there we have it. As you can see, the Forex Line Indicator plots one continuous line directly on the main price chart that changes color depending on the current market direction. When the line is blue and price is trading above it, the display implies these bullish conditions and an upward trend bias. When the line turns white, as you can see if you look closely, and price is trading below it, it implies bearish conditions and a downward bias. Because the line tends to run close to price, it acts as a dynamic guide to the prevailing move and it visually highlights when price remains aligned with that move versus when it crosses back through the line. The color changes make it easier to distinguish trending phases from periods where conditions may be shifting or becoming less directional. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have. Alright, so we basically have the options to customize the colors of the lines that appear on the charts. So we can change our preferred colors, or we can change it to our preferred colors so it stands out properly or clearly with the underlying MT4 chart theme. Let's say I change this to orange red. Right, so you see how that works. So it's clearer now on the charts. So who is the indicator for? The Forex Line Indicator is suited to traders who want a simple trend-following visual tool that makes it easy to see when price is moving with or against prevailing direction. It is often used on higher time frames such as daily or weekly charts to filter out lower time frame noise and focus on more substantial swings. The indicator is purely analytical and does not open, manage, or close trades on MT4. In choppy or ranging markets, the line can change color more frequently, which may reduce its usefulness as a filter, so it works best when combined with additional confirmation methods and sound risk management. The download link for the Forex Line Indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read more about how it works and see chart examples on the Forex Geek website. If you'd like more walkthroughs of color changing trend line tools, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.